Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 6019 West Willow Point on beautiful Honeoye Lake. This is a Honeoye Lake dream home with nearly 100 feet of waterfront and those million-dollar views. Hi, I'm Rich Testa. Let's take a tour. This rare waterfront paradise has it all. This very private, nearly 100 feet of Honeoye Lake waterfront has a beach, docks, and is updated to perfection. The panoramic million-dollar views, or should I say billion-dollar views, are just breathtaking. This architectural masterpiece is a designer showcase. The hallmark of this home is its total design. The interior and exterior is just beautiful. Welcome your family and friends to the stunning entrance, featuring beautiful landscaping, an expansive deck, and foyer with a cathedral ceiling and immediate lake views. Just up the foyer is a beautiful cook's dream kitchen with white and bright cabinetry, high-end stainless steel appliances, and tile floors. This fireplace great room has great open living with a wall of windows and hardwood floors with deck access, all with spectacular lake views. The design of this spectacular home features a bedroom wing with 3 bedrooms and an updated bath. The excitement continues on the other side of the home with a stunning cathedral ceiling dining room with beautiful lake views. Just off the dining room is this private primary suite with an updated bath and spacious bedroom with those breathtaking lake views. This lower level has it all. Great additional living space for family and guests, plus a bath and 5th bedroom with access via the sliding glass door to the covered patio and those amazing lake views. Enjoy access to this very spacious entertainment-sized deck for relaxing, dining, and to be at one with nature. The landscaping is just beautiful with many flowers and plants. The quality craftsmanship is evident in the details. This better-than-new dream home is the ultimate in lake living. Also available is a separate lot with a shed that is part of the West Willow Point Association. You could have it all with this Honeoye Lake dream home. This home is located on the west side of Honeoye Lake, a great place to live, known for great fishing, boating, and waterfront activities. Enjoy lake access at nearby beautiful Sandy Bottom Park. Nearby this property is the quaint hamlet of Honeoye with summertime concerts and is just 16 miles from Canandaigua and the rest of the Finger Lakes region. Here we are at Hunt Hollow Ski Club. What a great place to ski! Just minutes away from Honeoye Lake. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 6019 West Willow Point on spectacular Honeoye Lake. This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here.